8 of each of the 2 varieties of tomato plants, Love 'em and Wonderful, are grown under the same conditions. The number of tomatoes produced from each plant of each variety are shown. Remember, the plant numbers are just indicating which plant they are talking about. Those are not values that we are going to place on a dot plot. Part A says draw dot plots to help decide which variety is more productive. Our lowest number altogether is 20, and our highest number overall is 50. So to fit 20 and 50 on our dot plot, we might want to count by 5s. And we can start at 15, just to give us a little extra space, or you can start at 20. So I'm going to do the top one as Love 'em. So I have a 27, 29, 27, 28, 31, 27, 28, and 27. And then on the bottom, I will do Wonderful. I have one at 31, 20, 25, 50, 32, 25, 22, and 50. Oops, I didn't see that one earlier. 51. We can just place that a little bit to the right of 50. I thought the biggest was 50, but I missed the last one. Okay, part B says to calculate the mean for the tomatoes produced in each variety. To find the mean, we have to add up each of those values and divide by 8 because there are 8 values in each. First, start by finding the total for the Love 'ems. And the total comes out to 224. But then we need to do 224 divided by 8. And that gives us 28. So for Love 'em, the mean is 28. Now we're going to do for Wonderful. Again, start by adding up all those values. The total for Wonderful is 256. When you divide 256 by 8, you end up with a mean of 32. Make sure you show your work for that step. If you don't have enough room on the workbook page, make sure you use a separate sheet of paper. Then it says, which one produces more tomatoes on average? Wonderful has a higher mean, so Wonderful produces more on average. If you want to be able to accurately predict the number of tomatoes a plant is going to produce, which variety should you choose? The one with the smaller mad or the one with the larger mad? And explain. If you want to be able to accurately predict the number of plants a tomato is going to produce, you want there to be less variability so that it's easier to predict, which means you want the one with the lower mad or the smaller mad. Now we need to calculate the mad for each plant variety. 27 is 1 away from the mean of 28. 29 is also 1 away from the mean of 28. 28 is 0 away from 28. 31 is 3 away from 28. 29, 30, 31. 27 is 1 away, 28 is 0 away, and 27 is 1 away. For the wonderful, we need to figure out how far they are from 32. 31 is 30, and to 32 is only 1 away. From 20 to 32 is 12 away. 25 to 32 is 7 away. 50 to 32 is 18 away. 32 is 0 away from 32. 25 we already have. 22 is 10 away. And 51 is 19 away. Now to calculate the MAD, we add up those distances and divide by 8. And then we are going to do the same thing for wonderful. For love 'em, you get 8. And for wonderful, you end up with 74. Then we need to divide by 8 because there are 8 values. So 74 divided by 8 is 9.25. So the MAD for love 'em is 1, and the MAD for wonderful is 9.25.